5 great habits to up your TIG welding game. Number 1 habit you want to create is the pre-weld pedal tap. It's going to be the first thing that tells you that you forgot to turn your gas on. So habit number 2, the touch and lift habit. Bring your tungsten all the way down to your workpiece and touch it to it, and then you lift off from there the correct distance. You'll know exactly where that workpiece is because you've established that by feeling it. So the number 3 habit, practicing on similar materials ahead of time. This is going to be critical, especially if you're working on a non-replaceable part. So the number 4 habit that you want to create is cleaning your TIG rod. And wipe that rod down once or twice. And you see that. 5th and final habit for you guys to create today has to do with creating a proper rest. Always try to make a habit of resting forward of your wrist joint. If you're floating in space, you're trying to control 4 different sets of joints. You have your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, and your fingers. Make sure you hit the bell icon and the subscribe button and go build something, guys.